In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print W-2 in QuickBooks Desktop. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your archived W-2s and how to print them cleanly for your records or filing. First, sign into your QuickBooks account and head to the Taxes option in the left-hand menu. This is your home base for all payroll-related filings and forms. If you don't see it right away, make sure you're in a company file that has payroll enabled and that you have permission to view payroll tax information. Next, open the payroll tax area. You'll see a section labeled either filings or tax forms depending on your view. Both take you to the same place, a list of forms that have been prepared or filed for your company. If your labels look slightly different, just look for the section that consolidates payroll filings. From there, scroll down to archived forms or filed forms. This is where QuickBooks stores prior submissions and PDFs for year-end documents. Locate W-2, copies A and D, and select the tax year you need. Copies A and D are the employer copies used for filing and records, so this is the correct set when you're printing for your files or to mail to agencies. If you're preparing employee copies, you'll typically look for the set labeled for employee distribution in the same area. Open the archived W-2 by selecting View. The form will launch as a PDF. Give it a moment to load, and if your browser blocks pop-ups, allow the PDF to open so you can proceed. Once the PDF is visible, skim the first page to confirm the year, and company details look correct before printing. It's a quick check that can save paper and reprints. To print, you have two reliable options. The fastest is to click the print icon directly in the PDF viewer, choose your printer, and confirm your settings. Be sure page size is set to letter, scaling is 100%, or actual size and orientation matches the form layout. If you prefer to review or archive a copy first, click Download, save the file to a secure folder, then open it from your computer and print from your preferred PDF app. For best results, print single-sided, use clean letter size paper or approved pre-printed W-2 stock if required, and verify alignment on the first page before running the full set. Keep a printed copy for your records and, if applicable, attach it to any required transmittal forms per your filing method. That's it. If menu names look a little different in your setup, just remember, taxes, payroll tax, filings, or tax forms, then archived or filed forms, and open the W-2 for the correct year to print.